When you hear the word caste, you might think of hierarchy, inequality, and untouchability. A system that divides human worth by birth, not by choice. Many people ask, if Islam teaches equality, why do some Muslims still follow caste system? It's a fair question. And the answer lies in something most people don't want to admit. Some Muslims follow their culture more than they follow their religion. What Islam actually says. Let's be clear. Islam completely rejects caste. The Qur'an says, "O mankind, we created you from a single pair of a male and female and made you into nations and tribes so that you may know one another. Verily, the most noble of you in the sight of Allah is the most righteous of you. Not the richest, not the lightest skinned, not the highest born, only the most God-conscious." The Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, made it crystal clear. There is no superiority of an Arab over a non-Arab, nor of a white over a black, except by taqwa. So whether you're from Africa, India, Europe, or Arabia, you are equal in Islam. Islam doesn't believe in bloodlines making someone better than others. It doesn't believe your surname, skin tone, or social status gives you value. Only your character and God consciousness matter. But what about the reality in South Asia? Sadly, in places like India, Pakistan, and Bangladesh, many Muslims have inherited a caste-like system from pre-Islamic Hindu traditions. In South Asia, many Muslims inherited a social hierarchy, not from Islam, but from centuries of Hindu caste-based culture. Even after becoming Muslim, many communities continued the old divisions. Group caste equivalent Ashraf, upper-class Muslims like Sheikh, Sayyid, Pathans, Mughal, Ajlaf, middle-class professions like weavers, barbers, carpenters, Azal, traditionally marginalized like sanitation workers, cleaners. Apart from these castes, there are many more Yatis and Gotras. Let's be honest, this isn't Islam. It's a cultural hangover, a habit passed down through generations, not a law from the Qur'an. How is this different from the Hindu caste system? Unlike the Hindu caste system, where untouchability, eating restrictions, and temple bans exist, among Muslims, the caste-like system only appears in marriage preferences. No untouchability, no mosque bans, no eating restrictions, only in marriage can see this caste system among Muslims. People may say, she's a Sayyid, he's not. We don't marry into that caste. They're from a lower biradari. No Quran verse, no hadith, just culture. It's not religious, it's not Islamic, it's just deeply rooted tradition, often disguised as values or respect. So what's the solution? The solution is honesty. The solution is education. The solution is going back to the Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, not community pride. Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, married from different tribes, different backgrounds, even freed slaves. He said, whoever has an atom's weight of arrogance in their heart will not enter paradise. So how can we hold our heads high while looking down on others for their last name? Islam abolished caste, but some Muslims have brought it back through culture. Let's not confuse the two. Culture may divide us, but Islam came to unite us. So when you hear someone talk about caste in Muslim society, know this. It may be real socially, but it's not from the religion. And it's time we stop mistaking tradition for truth.